Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria, and the Buceplant unboxing starts right now. Got a few plants from Buceplant that I've been wanting for a while that have been on my wish list, and they finally came back in stock. And I also got some plants that I have never heard of or never seen before, so I'm excited for those. I think this is the tissue culture, the Pogostemon. Looks like the gel melted, probably from the heat pack. Anyway, the plants look not super great, probably because they got kind of melted a little bit. And the weather's been kind of warm too, so I'll let you know how that goes. Make sure and subscribe for updates. The Liliopsis, all this stuff I got to be grown immersed. I'm going to be making Wabi-Kusa and Kusamono and things like that. I just did a Kusamono, which is basically a little plant on a rock, and I did a video showing how I made that, so you can check that out as well. Looks pretty good. I'll just pull some of these older dead leaves off and maybe put this in a different substrate and get it going. This one I am super stoked about. This is Anubias congensis mini, so it doesn't get too much bigger than this as far as I know. Man, that looks nice. Wow, isn't that cool? I like how small this plant is. I like that lanceolate foliage. Nice shape. Look at the veining. This will be good for doing like a Wabi-Kusa, terrariums, all kinds of stuff. Very healthy plant. Super happy with that. Really pleased. This is the one I've never heard of. It's called Ranalisma rostratum. This one I think does not get too much bigger either. Stays pretty small. It's got really cool small foliage. Looks like it spreads by runners, just like African sword plants and other things. There's like 4 or 5 plants in here, so I can break it apart and I can get them growing and then use them in different builds.